Get into a car with value. 2014 Honda Odyssey. With less than 150,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Prepare to fall in love with this sleek and powerful Odyssey. Its connectivity and ingenious cabin features make navigating your life's many demands easier and more convenient, while its advanced safety tech protects your most precious cargo. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, power passenger seat, electronic stability control, rear AC, third row seat, power driver seat, alarm, steering wheel audio controls, rear spoiler. Assure your family's safety and comfort. Drive the Honda Odyssey.